This is Ikea sofa that has been delivered to me right now. And you can see the box, the condition of the box is not that good. Here and there the boxes are torn and it doesn't seem to be that good packaging. Anyway, let's see what's inside. Let's check. We can see. Okay, I think it hasn't come with the plastic cover. Anyway, let's open it.
This is the sofa and these are individual pillows. 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers of back base pillows, and these are the
Legs.
legs and stud for assembling the sofa. This is the side mount, the side bar of the sofa, and this is the base of the sofa, as you can see.
Okay.
And back pillows are there. 3 numbers of back pillows are mounted inside only. Now I will complete
These
it.
are the back pillows 1, 2, and 3, and that's the armrest, one side of the armrest, and this is another side of the armrest. So these are the parts that I have taken out from the curtain, all of the back rails and the pillows. This is the frame of the sofa. We actually placed for the replacement because last time it was delivered there was gap in between the hinges, so and they were not all that aligned. This time I guess these are aligned, at least these are okay. Now let's assemble it so that I can be sure of the condition of the sofa.
Now we are unfolding the sofa. This is the backrest. Now side parts, sides.
And these are the legs. I have just unpacked it and it seems to be so plasticky, so tacky. It's made out of just plastic. I don't know what will be the longevity. All of them are of plastic. And this has come with these screws and nuts. We have to fix it. I have to fix them. The screws are supposed to be same, but you can see this one, first one is not same. Why so clueless? Let's see.
Move them also.
So we have to push it through this. There is gap. See, all of them will go inside and it will get fixed. And the same one we are doing on the other side. So these are now fixed.
हल्का भी लगता है, लाइट को फुल रेट नहीं तो हल्का लगेगा। स्मूथली जब कभी लगा टाइटली।
Now just place all the cushions back and sit all of them. So this is now ready.